Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on a new laptop, so install Office or Microsoft 365 and sign in. That gives you licensed PowerPoint and cloud saves. Once installed, open PowerPoint and pick a template or a blank slide to begin, template speed design. Make sure to enable auto-save to OneDrive so changes are backed up automatically. This prevents lost work and keeps version history. If you use external media or fonts, copy them into a synced folder now before building slides. You'll construct the core presentation by first using Slide Master to define fonts, colors, and a logo. This ensures consistency and saves time later. Then insert content, images, charts, and tables, and apply the Format Painter to replicate styles across elements quickly. Once visuals are placed, add transitions sparingly and rehearse timings. If you need narration, record audio per slide so playback matches your pacing. Make sure to save a copy locally and to OneDrive so you're almost done. Finalize by reviewing slide order, checking speaker notes, and exporting to PDF or MP4 depending on how you'll share or play the deck. Once exported, inspect file size and compress embedded media if needed to prevent stuttering during playback. If a recipient can't open your file, embed fonts or use PDF. If PowerPoint crashes or behaves oddly, restart the app, run an Office repair, and disable third-party add-ins. This resolves most stability problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.